New tool Friday, guys. 20-piece Astro nano sockets, super stubbies. Comes with hex, triple square, and torx. These things are looking sharp. Magnetic rail, twist lock. (6-12) and hex, M6-16, triple square, and T25-55 for the torx. I wish they had some smaller torx, but I guess that's probably a smaller set, like a 1/4 inch, because these are all 3/8 drive, I believe. Yep, 3/8 drive. And they have the dual drive. I think you could either use a I think it's like a 17mm or 19mm wrench, or your regular 3/8 socket. So these will be super convenient, especially for doing bevel box bolts on Audi TTs. This right here, this M8 nano socket, will fit right up in there. Love it.